Hello folks, Double Tap here and welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing part 3 of our PC build. In the last 2 episodes we've put everything together. I've now wired it all up, so we're going to turn it on for the first time, see if it boots up and see what happens. I'm sorry about the camera angles and things like that, but as I pointed out in my other videos, I'm currently moving home, so my furniture's everywhere. I do have nice PC desks and the PC gaming chairs and everything like that, but unfortunately it's all packed away folks, so I'm currently sitting on the living room floor doing all this. So let's turn this on, and there goes my carriage clock. I had that service the other day and it's like listening to Big Bloody Ben. But anyway, let's turn this on. I'll move the camera so you can actually see the PC. Obviously you'll hear me speaking and we'll take it from there folks. Right then, let's flick that power switch on and see what happens. Okay, all the fans have lit up. Let's put the TV monitor on and let's have a look what's going on here. Okay, we've got Windows starting up. Now, as I explained before, this is my old hard drive in here. I did have a lot of programs on here that I wanted to keep. I might put an SSD in or a bigger 2-3 terabyte hard drive. So, what's happening now? Okay, blank screen. And it was operating on Windows 7. Yep, lovely. So let's stick in the old password and see what comes up. Oh, bloody thing, I've put in the wrong password. Okay. Lovely, jubbly. It looks like it's all coming on. I'll let that load up. I'll give you a quick look around the PC. Now, don't worry about all the junk and stuff everywhere. I've got currently 3 computers at the moment, so let's have a closer look at the front. Do you know what? I'm going to get this old thing out of the way. There we go. That's out of the way. Got a few various stickers on them. I mean, they don't do a thing to it, but they just look a bit better. I've got an MSI one as well. So it's our light-on rewriter. So that's our light-on rewriter. Let's open that up here. Okay, that's looking fine. Let's close that up. Let's have a closer look around this tower. So we've got the power, we've got some USBs, got the side lights. Now this helps, having this raised part of the tower here for the cable management. Blue LED lights are looking proper sweet, and they are quiet as you like, them things are. Very quiet. Obviously the one on the front you've seen. I'll open up the side panel and give you a quick look at that. Right then, this is the inside of the PC. Let's have a look at it from that angle. Got the Arctic Alpine Pro spinning around quite nicely. Top fans are. There's our rewriter. Cable management is quite good, to be fair, with this tower. It is showing up a bit more because the back panel here is obviously white, so you can see the cables a bit better, but in all fairness to that, it helps to reflect the blue LEDs. There's your front fan right there with our hard drive. We do have another slot here and obviously we could put in another hard drive or an SSD there. That's our Corsair VS550 PSU, and the graphics card, let me try and angle this. I mean, we're not getting any noises off this. Obviously, once it's under power and we're actually playing a few games, we'll see what it's like then. The RAM is slotted in there beautifully, and it's all set up really nice. This is. Let me try and get that. It's alright, I was just moving. This is all booted up lovely, this has. So what I'll do is, I'll do a couple of benchmarks. I'm going to test a few games and I'll be right back. Okay then, I've done some benchmarking. I've also tested a few games. I've used PC games as well as online games. I've been playing Black Desert Online, Fallout 4, I've also played Skyrim, as well as World of Tanks and War Thunder. I thought if I tried a few different games with you know, different parameters and all that lot, I'm not going to bore you with showing clips and all that lot. I do have a capture thing on here, but I'm not going to do that. I thought if I'd try a different few games out, it'd give me, you know, a bit of an understanding just what the computer could do. Now, the PC has been on now for just over an hour. Let me mute that a minute, and you'll hear. Oh, sorry. Don't know what the hell that was. Them fans are whisper quiet. There's 3 fans in there, plus the power supply unit, plus the 2 fans on the graphics card. You can hardly hear that. It's fantastic. But anyway, as you can see, I used the Unigine Heaven benchmark. We got frames per second 99.9. This index score was 2116 with a minimum FPS of 25.4, maximum 194. So basically, when it comes to playing games, I got an average FPS of 96 frames per second at the lowest, and at the highest it was over 126 frames per second. That's playing all the games that I just mentioned. That is also on max settings or ultra settings. I like my games to look really good when I'm doing it. But anyway, really happy with this PC build. Now the big question is, what's it all cost? Because I've priced it all up individually and done all my calculations. This also includes those few stickers and some more that I've got, which I brought online just to jazz the case up a little bit. Now, the total cost for this build in January 2018 has cost me £342. Now, I worked it out. If I'd have not shopped around and gone for the best deals, and I did get some fantastic deals, also if I'd have had to buy Windows 7 or Windows 10, but you can download them anyway for free, still you can get Windows 10 for nothing, it would have come to around £800. So I've saved myself, what's that, about £457, something like that. So I've cut this price smack bang in half, plus I've saved more as well. £342. That it's a no-brainer to not build your own PC. But like I say, I got a lot of deals in the January sales, and I shopped around a lot. It took me probably 2 weeks of getting all these parts together, but like I said before, I had the money to do it. I could have built a PC that cost thousands, but for what I want to do, I want a video render, I want to upload to YouTube, I want a game, as well as surf the web. You know, this is exactly what I wanted, folks. So I hope you've enjoyed these 3 videos, because I am really excited about this PC now, and as soon as the video ends I'm going to play a bit of Fallout 4, I think. So anyway folks, I think I'll leave it there. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe, because I try to do videos as frequently as I can, more to my home brewing side of things, even though I do love building my PCs and all that lot. And I'll catch you in another episode folks. I'm Double Tap, and bye for now.